What's up, guys? I don't know if this video is going to be very long, but I do have a new lure. I got a red chatterbait off of eBay for pretty cheap. In this one, they were in a lot. So I think I'm going to use the red one today. I'll use the chartreuse one another time, but yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the spot now. My buddy Ryder, he's probably watching right now. He's been slamming them on swim baits recently. Got a couple the other day when I was down here. I filmed, but didn't get anything, no bites, nothing. I can't remember what I was using. It was like a crankbait or something. Not the best for this pond, but I was just trying stuff out, you know. So hopefully this red and orange chatterbait will get it done today, but yeah, really hoping it does. I haven't caught anything in a while. I think this is a Z-Man Elite, or Jackhammer. Sorry, the Jackhammer, not the Evo. It's so sick. Action is so vibrant. Pretty sure you can get these at like, well, you get them on eBay. I got mine off eBay because it was really cheap. I got a lot of too, but you can get them at some Dick's have them. Academy has them. Bass Pro, Cabela's, basically any fishing place. Anywhere that has fishing stuff. But they're usually like $15 to $20. Pretty expensive, but I would say they're worth it. I'm gonna go to this side and put my phone down because I don't have pockets. It's kind of just chilling in my GoPro holder thing that I have. I don't want it to fall out when it's something down here. Actually, more up. Not wonderful. Alright. Dang, the water's kind of clear. Just on the bank real quick. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's warm enough. Got one, let's go! I was just about to say, I don't know if it's warm enough yet to be reeling fast, but I guess this one wanted it, so that's a plus. Yeah, that's the first one of the year, guys. Let's get into some. Thanks for biting. Well, that was only like third or fourth cast. This is gonna be slamming them, I guess. I was just kind of jerking like this, and he was on my line. Let's see if a big one comes and eats it. It'd be crazy. I always love the smell of bass. I don't know, they have a smell to them. It's always great to smell it. Oh, I feel like I felt the bite right there. Thing's sick. Thing is sick. I love chatterbaits. Oh, I don't think I set my. Okay. probably way out in the middle. Let it sink for a second. Oh, hands are cold. I think I'm gonna go, guys. That was a short video today, but I mean, you know, weather's gonna be weather. You gotta try and at least go out there, fish. At least, I mean, not at least, but like, try and get out there and fish anytime you can. I mean, that's what I try and do. But what's up, guys? We're back again. This is day 2 of throwing the red chatterbaits. Yesterday was not a long video, but I'll try and stay out here longer. Make a longer video. Depending on how the day's going, of course. I'm really feeling it today. I feel it's colder. I feel like I'm gonna catch one. I feel like I'm gonna catch a decent one. I don't know. I just feel it. You know, sometimes you just gotta have a little bit of confidence, you know? They filled this area in with the box. Nice. Yeah, they really needed to renovate this place over here. It's kind of getting into a mess. Yeah, that's nice. Just gonna fish right here, why not? Go on. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a decent one. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, you ain't getting away from me. You ain't getting away from me. I've lost too much. I've lost too much recently. I've lost too much. I've lost too damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's like a 4-pounder. It's literally a 4-pounder. That's literally a 4-pounder. That is a 4-pound bass. Look how chunky he is. Look how chunky he is. Look how chunky he is. I had him good. Alright, let's get a good release on him. There he goes. Sorry. That was a bad... I can't get too close to the water. So I might fall in. There's kind of a ledge. But let's go. That's what I needed. I needed that. I actually needed that. Holy crap. I needed that. Well. Just finish my line off. Gosh dang, I needed that. Okay. Hold on. Let me just take a second. I gotta take a second. But yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment it if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.